Is Misha Naomi?
Is Misha Annalise?
Is Misha Era?
Is Misha Sophia?
Is Misha Catherine?
Is Misha Nathan?
Is Misha Shifra?
Is Misha Alana?
Is Misha Amelia?
Is Misha Alana?
Is Misha Fikra?
Is Misha Cullen?
Nathan. I created the St. Brigid's cross, kind of the first thing that came to mind. So I used card for structural support, and I used marker for the colors, and then I used wool because, I don't know, I just really kind of saw it, and I thought that might be cool to put on. Well, the green represents the land, and the blue represents the sky, maybe.
Well, when they said first that I needed to do St. Bridget, I taught St. Bridget's cloak and the church that she built over where her cloak covered. So all of this is the cloak still expanding, and then she's imagining the church that she's going to build after the cloak has expanded. Well, here I used watercolour paint, here I used watercolour, and here I used watercolour pencils. I just thought, like, what would St. Bridget be thinking right now when the cloak is expanding over the land? Like, what would she be thinking at that moment? Maybe she'd be thinking of a nice church and loads of nice flowers around it. For some reason, I taught sunrise when the cloak was spreading out, so I taught maybe like sunrise colours. And then for the sunrise, I taught, well, it might clash if I did those colours, so I decided on red and orange. Take one.
Hi, my name is Catherine, and I created this piece of art using acrylic paints and some marker as well in there. I only used acrylic paint for the background, and I used some marker for the back. I thought I would challenge myself to imagine what St. Bridget would look like back then. Just a woman, really. I tried to add colour to make it look appealing, and I added some black as if it was like a stained glass painting. I imagined her holding, well, her St. Bridget's cross and possibly a book, maybe a Bible. I just wanted to bring attention to her head, like to her face, because I wanted people to look at her and visualize her.
My name is Amelia.
My name's Alana.
So me and Alana were thinking about something that we could do together that would like show what we both like to do. And Alana loved painting and I loved like drawing and stuff. So she decided that she wanted to do like the background and add a bit of paint. So we done it as in like the stained glass. And then I went in and I put like the cross, because when I think of St. Bridget I think of like a church, and she thought of the stained glass, and the cross is like what represents the church. So then we just put it together and we got like the stained glass window with the cross on it.
I don't know the painting because I thought it was the colour of stained glass windows.
We just got the paintbrush and like dipped the paint on it, and then we like added the splashes and just like let them go wherever they wanted. Yeah, we kind of just sat down and we like looked at the art supplies that we had around us and we improvised. So like Alana had paint and I had like black markers and we had like glitter, but we kind of thought that if it's like there's no need for glitter, so we were done it first and then we decided if we want to put glitter, and we just said no, there's no need.